Table introduction. In the colored section of the table, the first two rows represent the hanging length of the blinds. The first row is in inches. The second row is in centimeters. And the first column is the specification of the spring, which represents the thickness, width, and length of the spring. Each column corresponds to the force value that the spring of the corresponding specification can withstand under the blind of the corresponding hanging length. The yellow number at the end of each row represents the maximum weight that the spring of the corresponding specification can bear. The end of the table represents the rebound force of each spring. The weight of the blind bottom rail should be greater than the sum of the rebound forces of all selected springs. And if it is less than, additional weight should be added. Selection process. Firstly, we need to know the hanging length of the blinds, the weight of the blind fabric, and the bottom rail. Then select a column based on the hanging length of the blinds, and choose a combination with a combined weight greater than the weight of the blind fabric and the bottom rail by about 50 to 100 grams. Choose the combination with the smallest quantity as much as possible. Give an example. It is known that the weight of the bottom rail of a certain blind is 336 grams. The weight of the fabric is 786 grams. The total weight is 1,122 grams. And the blind hanging length is 185 centimeters. Therefore, the column is selected where the combined weight of two springs with a thickness of 0.12 is 1,226 grams, which is about 100 grams greater than the total weight. Therefore, two springs with a thickness of 0.12 are selected. Thanks for watching.